Today I'm going to show you how to check your watch history in X, formerly Twitter, the correct way. Now, if you're looking for a simple watch history tab inside the app, X does not currently provide one. So the best way to see what you've watched is to request and download your full account archive. That archive can include a lot of useful account data, and it's the official way to review your information directly from X. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more step-by-step guides for you. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X on your phone or computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to check. This is important because the archive you request will only belong to the account you're currently using. Once you're in, go to your profile menu and look for Settings and Privacy. On mobile, this is usually inside the side menu. On desktop, you will see it through the More option. Next, inside Settings and Privacy, look for the section called Your Account. Tap or click that, and then find Download an archive of your data. This is the feature X uses to let you request your personal data package. If you don't see it right away, take your time and browse through the account settings carefully because X updates the menu layout from time to time. Once you open the archive page, X may ask you to verify your identity. This can include entering your password, confirming your email, or completing an authentication step. That extra security is normal because X wants to make sure the account owner is the one requesting the data. After verification, you'll see the option to request your archive. Tap or click the button to begin the process. X will then prepare your data in the background. Depending on how much activity your account has, this can take some time. In some cases, it may be just a few minutes, but for larger accounts, it could take longer. When the archive is ready, X will notify you, usually through email or inside the app. Then you can return to the archive page and download the file. Save it to your device, and once it's downloaded, open the archive contents and look through the folders or files related to media, activity, or account history. This is where you can review the data X has stored for your account and look for the information connected to your viewing activity. Since X does not give you a direct watch history button, this archive method is the closest and most reliable official option available. A quick tip. If you only want to review recent activity, make sure to scan the archive carefully because the data can be organized into multiple files. It helps to use your device's search feature to look for keywords, dates, or media-related entries, and that's the full process. To recap, you can't check watch history with a simple built-in tab on X, but you can request and download your full account archive to review your data. It's the official method, and it gives you access to your account information in a secure way. If this tutorial was useful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy X and social media guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.